Hello, today I'll show you how to build tribal buildings in Crusader Kings III and everything there is to know about them. Starting off as a tribal character, you will have access to a unique type of holding. It is a capital holding and it is a tribe holding. As you can see, there are only two levels of upgrades, and those upgrades also cost prestige. All in all, tribes and tribal empires use gold and prestige to build their buildings. They don't have access to many buildings, but those they always have access to are really powerful. For example, I have already built a palisade in this holding, and as you can see, it provides me with a variety of different bonuses, such as a 4th level, a defender advantage, buffs to my men-at-arms, a levies and a garrison. Usually you'd have to stack 2 or 3 regular feudal buildings for those types of bonuses, but of course, as you can see, they don't have much of a way to make gold or prestige either. The only way is to have a bunch of gathering halls or a bunch of markets, and as you can see, those also can be upgraded only once after they are built. Tribal nation have also the problem of being really decentralized. They cannot build new holdings, as you can see, as you can see, because our government uses prestige to buy men-at-arms, ergo we are tribal. And that's everything you need to know about playing as building tribal buildings in Crusader Kings III.